grade 4. As humans, all of us live in a society, are bound to a neighborhood. It is an essential place which has a great impact on our lives. Through my speech, I am going to explain why I love my neighborhood. I live in a great neighborhood. It is amazing because it offers us a lot of facilities. The green part in my neighborhood remains clean all the time. The maintenance team makes sure that they clean and sanitize it from time to time so that my neighbors could sit and relax in the evenings and take walks in the mornings. Apart from the facilities available in my neighborhood, we also have amazing neighbors who make our life. Good neighborhood is not about facilities only, but good people as well. We also organize events from time to time so that the whole neighborhood gathers and enjoys themselves. My neighborhood also organizes a donation drive every year so that each family donates toys, clothes and other useful things for the needy. Even though we live in different houses, our hearts are bounded with the same love and respect for each other, thereby making my life happier. Thank you for hearing my speech.